What is up, you guys? This is Raspreet Gill. Welcome to the Unbox Experience. As you know, I love unboxing rare tech, especially the ones that have been brought up to perfection after their first gens have struggled, kind of what this locker has really been through. Which is why this now is called Godrej's Verge Biometric Locker. It's quite a hefty box in my hands. Let's quickly get into it and take a look at what it's all about. So massive box, let's get this cracking open. Inside I see some ever-ready batteries. Now these I'm not really a big fan of. I wish they were Duracell for long lasting. Get this out of the way. Then we have this right out here. I've given you a toll-free number if you wish to actually call somebody to get this drilled permanently into your cupboard or whatever it is. Get your warranty information as well as the manual on probably how to set the pin and stuff. That's out of the way as well. You got a couple of keys to manually lock, unlock it. Also Type-C USB cable, as well as a couple of screws if you do wish to go ahead with the drilling and permanently secure the safe inside your cupboard. And now is the moment of the final unveiling. There we have it. This right here, ladies and gents, is our flat bottom top opening safe, which is called the Godrej Verge. Let's get this thing out of the box now and get all this cardboard out of the way. So in terms of the colors, as of now, you just get it in the standard matted out white shade with a bit of the silver accents running along the ridges out there. Now as we look to quickly open this is exactly where your key goes.
The key is pretty premium. As you can take a look, it has some fancy build quality.
Put this key straight in. There you have it. It just simply opens up automatically all due to this hydraulic strut that lines up right there. We also get this robust cable to go along with it. So now if you do wish to secure the locker in your cupboard just simply by docking it at some point, you can dock this right in there and then just simply get this sorted out with the robust cable that's been provided. And at the back we get the two permanent mount holes if you wish to screw it into your wardrobe. As for the storage space inside, I definitely feel it's pretty much good enough for your daily valuables, especially if you just simply get home, you want to just put something immediately inside. I really required something like this mainly because I prefer something that opens from the top rather than from the front. And the previous gen of this locker, it was definitely one that was really marred with a lot of issues. I think they've really gone out there and perfected it with this Verge model that's right out here. So this does come with just simply a non-biometric version as well. And that one just simply has a digital keypad and stuff, but I decided to take the biometric because I feel it's just more faster and that much better. So you just simply get home, you just simply put your fingerprint in there and just simply it pops open that way. And you're done. And so now let's quickly dump in these 4 AAA batteries to power it up. We are all set now. Register our fingerprint. So right below the set sticker out here is where the set button rests. Keep that pressed. Now it's asking me to place my fingerprint. And that pretty much does it. I think we're good to go. Let's quickly just shut it and now try it out. And go shut. And that's just that. So now that we've got everything set up, let's quickly just simply try it out again. Fingerprint. And there you go, voila, it just simply opens. It's so quick and responsive. I don't think so even a cell phone is that quick because the response time is excellent. I mean, you just simply open it that way and it just simply pops that way. The moment you just simply put it in, there you have it, it just simply opens. There's even a tiny little LED that lights up the safe in case things are too dark inside your room. So now speaking about the part when and if the batteries do tend to deplete, you would get a low voltage warning for sure. But what happens if you miss that and the batteries completely die out? Let's say you have the keys to open it, yes, you definitely would. But in the case you misplace the keys as well, that's where this Type-C USB cable will come in handy. You could just simply put it in that slot right there and probably connect it to any power bank of some sort and just simply give it some juice so that you are enabling it to open up using a fingerprint just like that. So overall in terms of the tech, I think it gets pretty much a major thumbs up. The build quality seems great. The fingerprint sensor that's running out there as well is excellent. So my final verdict is I would definitely give this the thumbs up. The Godrej Verge Biometric Locker wins it for me today. And if you did like this video, do drop a thumbs up. I am Raspreet Gill and I will see you all for the next one.